more projects, such as assemblies, subassemblies, parts, drawings, imported parts, and any other project-related data such as PDFs, images, and videos. Documents can keep all your data together in one place to make projects easier for you to manage. Click the Onshape logo in the top left corner to return to the Documents page at any time. Down the left-hand side of the page are the document filters. When the My Onshape filter is active, every document you have access to is listed and divided into 3 sections. Documents last opened by you makes it easy to find and open a document so you can carry on where you left off. To open a document, left-click the document name or double-click the thumbnail image. This area can be collapsed or expanded if you wish. Folders can be used as one method of managing documents and will be discussed in a future video. Any other documents that are not in a folder are displayed at the bottom, with the most recently modified appearing at the top. This list includes all the documents you have access to. If you want to filter this list to show only documents created by you, shared with you, or recently opened, you can use the filters on the left. Each document listing shows the thumbnail, the document name, and last opened workspace, any labels that have been added, when the document was last modified, and by whom, and the document owner. Clicking a document displays more information on the right, including the Details panel, Share Details, and the Versions and History graph. The Details panel displays information such as the owner, description, labels, who it was created and last modified by. The Share Details panel shows who is shared into the document with what permissions. Only users with share permissions to the document can see other users' permissions. The Versions and History panel shows the document history. Workspaces, labels, and document sharing will be discussed in a future video. You can change the way documents are displayed by selecting the grid view icon in the top right corner. Each tile displays the exact same information but in a larger format to make it easier to browse your documents. You can see more information by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner of each tile, or you can display the Details panel at the same time using the icons in the top right corner of the screen. Public documents are indicated by a globe icon. Documents created by users of the education plan are indicated by a small mortarboard icon. The filters on the left can also be used to show documents that have been shared with your team, documents that have been tagged with a label, and a trash area for documents you no longer need. These will be discussed in more detail in a future video. The public filter shows the thousands of public documents created by the Onshape community. At the top of the page is the document search field. Type in a partial name and press enter. Search will find documents, parts, assemblies, and drawings or any imported file that matches the name you typed in. This is displaying results for all the documents you have access to. If you only want to search documents that were created by you, click the filter first before entering a search term. Search also has many advanced options. Access the advanced search by clicking on the drop-down arrow to the right. Here you can search by type, name, part number, state, and additional criteria. This allows you to search for specific entities within documents or by properties, including any custom properties created within the company. If you right-click on a document, a menu appears allowing you to open, rename, copy, or trash that document. You can also select multiple documents at the same time by holding down either the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, or the Shift key to select many at once. The right-click context menu not only allows you to set labels, move the documents to a folder, or send them to trash. In the top left corner is the Create button. You can create a new document, upload either a 3D model from another CAD system, or any of the other file types from your local machine or integrated storage service, create a new folder, or create a new label. Finally, in the top right corner, there are buttons to access the Onshape App Store for complementary applications such as rendering, simulation, and CAM, quick access to the Onshape Learning Center, and buttons to share or trash the currently selected document. There is also the Help menu and then your profile picture and account preferences menu. These last two options may look different depending on the Onshape subscription you have and will be covered in a future video.